Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know, you guys. Today I have an unboxing that I have waited over a year for, but technically since ordering it 23 days to receive this handbag in the mail, and I finally got it. I'm so excited. We're doing an unboxing. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. Today we do have an unboxing. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. This bag, oh my god, you guys, I am literally so excited. I have wanted this handbag that's in this box for over a year now, and I finally got it. It's the bag that I bought with the money that I got from selling my Lady Dior. I'm gonna say the word excited so many times in this video, so by the time that I'm done with this video, you're never gonna want to hear the word excited ever again. This is one of my like white elephant bags. Is that what that phrase is called? Unicorn bags? I don't know, but this is like a bag that I literally thought that I was never going to be able to get my hands on. It got away from me once. Well, not really got away from me. I just was never able to find it, even when it had first come out. Now, I will say, I did order this from StockX. It did not come directly from Louis Vuitton. So I'm getting this re-authenticated. I have already looked at it and opened it once just to make sure that everything looks legit. Everything does seem to be legit, and it could be a super fake. I don't think it's a super fake because it's a very distinct bag. Really hard probably to make a super fake of this bag because of the leather that it is, because of the pattern that it has. Anyways, without any further ado, I'll just get started, and then afterwards I'll tell you a little bit my experience about StockX. So here we go. And here, and also this is from the men's section, so the dust bag might look a little bit different. I don't know, I actually haven't compared it to my other dust bags, but this bag that I actually got is from the men's section, so it might look a little bit different. And then I have also in the box a couple of things. It did come with the barcode information and everything, the barcode, all of that, and the serial number and everything. So that is one thing that gave me hope. The fact that it has this is a good sign. And then it also came with the tag right here that, you know, attaches to the ribbon right here that's normally on the box, like on the Louis Vuitton box. You're gonna, I swear, no, you're not going to be able to guess this bag. Cassie Thorpe has this handbag, and I didn't buy it because she also had it, but I didn't know this bag existed until she unboxed it last year. It was love at first sight. I wanted it so badly, and then it was sold out at the time when it had first released, and I tried to like refresh the page every day to see if it would come back in stock, and it never did. And then I went to my Louis Vuitton store to see what they could tell me about it, and they said, oh honey, I'm so sorry, that bag is already like out of stock. If you didn't get it within the first couple of weeks, you just missed out, I'm sorry. So here we are. Do you see this? Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so this is the Louis Vuitton Keep All XS Extra Small. This was from the men's collection. It was spring summer 2022, and this was one of Virgil Abloh's last collections with Louis Vuitton men's. And I really wanted this handbag so badly for a couple of reasons. Number one was the color. Can we just take a look at this insane color? It's this green and ombre down to blue, and then look at that blue on the bottom. Oh my god, I really wanted this handbag, of course, for the color, because it's beautiful, and also because I really do think this is kind of like a collector's piece. Like, we're not going to be getting any more collections from Virgil, sadly, because he did pass away, and it's something that I will have in my collection for the end of time. Like, I will never ever 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 sell this handbag. I love it so much. Again, I feel like this bag would be very, very difficult to dupe. This is made of the Tourlon leather. I don't know how you say it properly, but Toralon leather, again from the men's section. And then it has the Louis Vuitton monogram print embossed into the leather, and it kind of has this like shadow effect, if you can see on some of these here, which makes it look deeper embossed than it actually is. And then also I love the fact, one thing that I did find is that of course this side, the Louis Vuitton, is facing upwards, but on the back it's upside down, which is of course how it should be, because this bag was made out of one like strip of leather, so it would be upside down on the back. So that also gives me a good indication that it's legit. I haven't got it re-verified yet, but I am going to be getting it re-verified by at least 2 other authentication services online, just so I can like triple check. I genuinely do believe that it's real. Like I feel like something like this would be so hard to fake, and then if someone did try to fake it, then it would be very noticeable because of how intricate it is. The handles look like this. It kind of gives like the vibe of kind of like an alligator situation, and it's a slightly different color than the green on the handbag. And if you remember in one of my last videos, I said I don't like silver hardware. There's only one bag that I'm actually currently looking at that has silver toned hardware, and this is it. As you can tell, it does have silver hardware. It's got a silver pull tab here that says Louis Vuitton on both sides, if you can see that. And then on the side of the bag, it has like kind of oversized, kind of larger D-rings. And then it does have the flower motif, right? The flower design in the little grommets right here. If you can see that, hopefully you'll be able to see that. But that's another thing that I was actively looking for to make sure. And I did rewatch Cassie's video and a few other videos of this bag that I saw on YouTube, like to triple check to make sure that the pattern looked exactly like theirs. Like I counted the amount of like little flowers and stuff like that on each row of the bag. Everything seems to be legit right now. I feel like I got very lucky ordering from StockX. I don't think that I'm ever gonna order from them again. Just because I had an okay experience doesn't mean that everybody does. And I've heard some horror stories with StockX, like sending out fake shoes and stuff. So I don't think I'm gonna order from them again. I might have just dodged a bullet. It does come with a crossbody strap, which is the same color as the handle, if you can see that right there. And the crossbody strap is adjustable as well, and it has like this guard, like a strap pad, strap guard or whatever. I have it currently set to the shortest setting just because I don't need it to be that long. It does have the clasp right here, and then it says Louis Vuitton on that side and Louis Vuitton on the other side. Like I know I don't usually wear a ton of color, and I know that I am very aware about that, but I love this bag so much that I didn't really even care that I don't wear too much color, because I can always wear this with a very simple outfit. I can wear it with all black. I can wear it with like white shirt and some pants. I can wear it with things in my wardrobe, and she will get a ton of wear. Maybe not during the fall, because she definitely is more of a like a summer bag, but I think that she would also look great in the winter. This also came with this too, which does make me think again that it is a legit handbag, to where it says Louis Vuitton exterior bull calf leather, interior textile, and then product care guidelines are available on louisvuitton.com. And then I did scan that QR code, and it does take you to Louis Vuitton. And then on the opposite side, it has the same thing in French. So I do think that having this included is a very good sign. And then the interior of the bag is this insanely beautiful cobalt blue. One thing that I really wanted you to see, hopefully I can show you, but it says, I don't think I'm going to be able to get it to focus. Oh, there we go. Can you see that now? Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, and then it says in French, défilé, I'm saying this wrong. I'm saying this with like an Italian accent, I think. Défilé home, and then something that I can't pronounce, and then et 2022. So I assume that means like, I know homme is men, so I has to be something like men's collection 2022. I don't know. This one was made in Paris. It is literally Probably my second favorite bag that I have in my collection at this point now. I am truly obsessed, and this is the most unique bag in my collection as well. I have my green Bottega Veneta mini Jody. I have my new Fendi baguette that I just unboxed that is a bit different. It's really fun, but this is the most like fun bag I have in my collection, and the color is really not doing it justice. Like, it's neon, like it's straight up neon. I cannot believe I have this bag in my collection. I love it so much. Also, this bag is supposed to have some kind of microchip in it. I haven't tried to scan for that yet. I think there is like an app on your phone that you can get and try to scan for the microchip. I haven't done that. Editing Kenzie here, and I want to let you know that I did actually download an NFC scanner on my phone, and I actually did scan the back of this bag right here, and this is where the chip was found. Now, do these chips actually help with authenticating bags? Yes and no. I have heard that it's pretty easy to fake the microchip inside of the bag, but it did scan it. There is something in there. So again, that makes me feel like it is a legitimate bag. I'm still in the process of getting it re-authenticated, but I want to let you know, did find the chip. I wanted to show you what fits inside. This thing is huge. Like, this thing is massive. I would not consider this to be a small handbag. I would consider this to be a medium size handbag because it fits a lot. It fits my mini pochette accessoire, and I feel like if you've seen any of my recent videos, you will know what I have in here. But I have 2 Rhode lip glosses. I have my ibuprofen in here. I have a hand sanitizer. I have some gum. Is pretty much all the same stuff I carry with me all the time. And then I also have a travel mirror. Love this thing. But this fits in here with like ease. It's just in there. And then I normally carry some sunglasses with me. I have this little kind of soft case from Key, Australia, and inside I have my Chanel sunglasses that I'm obsessed with, and those go in here just fine. Now, if I carried my phone, I know a lot of you carry your phone in your bag. It will fit my phone. This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I don't typically carry my phone in my bag. The only time that I ever will is if I forget to wear pants with pockets or something. But just in case, my phone does absolutely fit in here with no problems. But I'm gonna take that out because I don't typically put my phone in my bag. So what I will put in my bag are the sunglasses, and those go in just like that. And then I will put in my card holder. I'm carrying my YSL one, and I will put that in here. I actually stand this one up because it just fits better standing up. And then I'll put in my Dior hand cream. I actually gave my mom my Chanel hand cream, and I kind of want to trade it. I kind of want it back, and I want to give her this one because I don't like the shape of this. With it being like a full-on circle, it's kind of hard to get in bags. At least the Chanel one was like an egg shape, so I felt like it was easier to put in your bags. And then I have my AirPods, of course, that go in. So there's my hand cream over there, and then my AirPods right there. And then I just have these few little pieces that I just throw on top. I have my Dior lip balm right here. And then I have a travel fragrance. And then I just have a pin, little Muji pin. I love these Muji pins, they're so good. Of course, this would fit a lot more as well. Like if I took everything out of my mini pochette accessoire and just put stuff in it without the mini pochette, it would fit a lot more. But I think that this is definitely enough. She does feel pretty full. She's not stuffed by any means because I can still squish it. It's not like stuffed, but it's full. This is pretty much all I would carry with me on a day-to-day basis anyways. So here's what she looks like. Oh my god. I still cannot believe I have this in my collection. I am so in love with this bag. Every time I look at it, I'm just like, oh my god. This bag took so long to get to me. I ordered this bag on July 31st. It is today, August 25th. I received this bag on August 23rd, okay? I waited 23 days for this handbag because it took the verification people at StockX like 3 weeks to verify this bag. I don't know why it took them so long to verify this bag. I'm not sure if they were like trying to make sure that this bag was real. Like, I'm not sure how they do it at StockX. Like, I don't know if they have their own application for authentication or if they have to take pictures and then send it off to a third-party authenticator. I don't know how it works. And I was like chatting with the representatives like almost every day, being like, have you heard anything? Have you heard anything? At least with StockX, you can get a different person each time you chat normally, unless they keep your case open if you're talking directly to somebody. My first couple of chat experiences were terrible, and I was like 100% sure I got scammed because I kept getting different information from people. Like, one representative told me that the bag was not going to arrive at the StockX facility until August 9th. But then another person told me that it arrived August like 2nd or something like that. Like, I had conflicting information about when it arrived at the facility. And then I asked somebody, well, can you just give me the tracking number that the seller gave you? Like, when the seller shipped off the bag, they got a tracking number, and you have a tracking number. Can you send me that just so I can get like a definite when this arrived at your warehouse? And they were like, no, we can't give you that information because that would give the seller's address. And I'm like, no, it wouldn't. It would like tell me their state, I guess like their city and state, but it wouldn't give me their address. But the chat person was like, no, we can't give it to you. So that kind of sucked. And then after that, I was like, oh no. I was really scared I got scammed. But throughout the rest of the process, I had a few very nice people help me, and they were telling me that since the bag is so expensive, it's taking longer to verify because they want to make sure that it passes every single verification step, which I appreciated. So hopefully they meant it. You can never tell with these brands. Like, they could be saying that just to like get you to stop messaging them, and then they could just be, you know, fucking around and not doing anything. I don't know. Honestly, it was worth the wait. I genuinely believe this is real. I don't have any doubts in my mind that this is real. I am going to, of course, get it re-authenticated a couple of times just so I can double check and make sure. I just love this bag so much. It is so beautiful. I cannot wait to wear this again for winter time. It'll look amazing with like a white coat or like a white outfit or a black outfit. My mom also is obsessed with this bag. She really wants to wear it. She likes it a lot. So yeah, I love it so much. This is new, by the way. This is not pre-loved. It looks brand new as well. Like, it does not look used in any way. That has been the video for today, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think of the new Louis Vuitton bag that I have here. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you like the color? Do you not like the color? Just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!